to San Antonio Living. All right, ladies, especially those of you who have had children, this next segment is for you. If you've got young children, not for them, for you only. All right, we are chatting with our good friend, Dr. Tori Robin Hailparn from the Cosmetic Gynecology Center of SA, and Vicki is joining us as well. It's good to see you, ladies. Thank you for coming. Much. And we do want to mention that you will be able to see Dr. Hailparn at our Health Expo. You are actually going to be out there answering viewer questions.
Yes, I also have a speaking segment as well about 12:15.
Great, so. That is fantastic. So I've had children, and I know those of you who are out there that have had children, your body changes after you deliver a child, and you might notice problems with all sorts of different things. There is something that you are so passionate about that is fixing those problems, and it's called ThermiVA. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, for the last 12 years, I've been using surgical vaginal rejuvenation to help with the problems related to childbirth and aging.
Okay.
And now there's a new non-surgical option for women, which I'm the first OBGYN in San Antonio to be able to provide. So I'm very excited. This is the magic wand. It's a radiofrequency treatment.
It really is magic. Really, it is.
It's a radiofrequency treatment, and it addresses the leaky bladder. So when women are coughing, sneezing, jumping, exercising, and have to cross their legs, this can help improve that. And the urge to go, that overactive bladder, can be calmed down by it.
Okay.
And it also helps to treat dryness from menopause, which can cause painful intimacy, as well as improve sensation.
Okay.
And make it look more youthful.
Okay. How many treatments are we talking about here?
This is 3 treatment is to get the maximum results.
Okay.
And it lasts at least a year. And then there's about a once-a-year maintenance treatment.
Okay, and I know you've been hearing some great response from your patients, including Vicki. Tell me what the problems were that you were dealing with.
My problems with sensation. After childbirth, I had it was a lot more work to have be satisfied. So I Googled and found Dr. Hailparn, and it's improved greatly.
Really?
It's not as much work.
and you know, we're all ladies here. When we get together with our girlfriends at dinner, things like that, drinks, this is what we're talking about. So is this something that you would tell your friends who are experiencing similar problems to check out?
Absolutely. It's a lot less invasive. I was able to go back to work after treatment. It was very Dr. Hailparn made me feel very comfortable, and I was very surprised by how I was able to just get up and go about my regular day.
Right?
Yes.
What's the technology behind this? How does this work?
Well, radiofrequency is applied heat.
Okay.
It's not a laser, which is ablative. This is a non-ablative treatment.
Okay.
It's very comfortable and gentle. The wand is the size of my finger, and it's a 12-minute application inside to heat up the tissues, and then they shrink, and stimulates collagen as well, and increases the blood flow to the area.
And you were telling me that some of your patients have had results literally after that first treatment.
Yes, as a matter of fact, the first treatment can make a huge difference for some women, and others will need the full set of 3 in order to get the maximum results.
Okay, what about insurance?
Insurance doesn't recognize this yet because it's a new technology, even though the technology to stimulate collagen using radiofrequency has been around for a decade.
Okay.
This has been studied for the last 3 years, and in the last year, over 20,000 women have been treated with excellent results.
You know what else is amazing too is that you and I met each other a long time ago. We've both been doing this for a while, and when you go on your website, you can read about Dr. Hailparn, and it's so important to have someone who is in the gynecology field be doing this treatment because you know what you're doing.
And also, in case the treatment doesn't meet the expectations of the patient, I have surgical options that I can offer.
Okay.
And they can find out more on my website, which is cosmeticgyn.net, and they can also schedule a consult through that site as well.
Absolutely. And of course, I know you want everyone to be beautiful, and you've got a cool shirt too.
Yes, this is for you. I want everybody to feel pretty inside and out. And
thank you so much.
Please enjoy it.
And of course, again, you can find Dr. Hailparn at the Cosmetic Gynecology Center of SA, but also at our Health Expo. If you've got questions about the ThermiVA that we just talked about, give them a call, and you are going to get a free consultation if you mention San Antonio Living, which is a $250 value, okay? So the phone number is on your screen. It's 615-6646, and it's cosmeticgyn.net.